What up, YouTube? It's Foster with Tech a Day, and as you can see with me, this is the official Galaxy giveaway day. And so I want to go over the rules and regulations, and let's get into it. So as you see, this is everything we are giving away for the Galaxy giveaway. We got two Taurus Fold 8 Ultra cases. We have all the Samsung AliExpress Fold 8 cases. We have another AliExpress Fold 8 carbon case. And we have a Seek box. You can cut to cord, full IPTV, all your streaming services, all are included in this box right here. You don't need cable anymore. Check out my review on that if you have any questions. We also have the Super Box S7 Pro. I think my video has gone up on this. I don't know, but if not, it will be going up soon. But basically the same thing. Android TV, IPT, fully loaded. You can cut the cord. Both of these, this is like almost a $300 value. This is like almost a $350, $400 value right here. These things are amazing. Literally, you don't need cable with one of these boxes. And then the two that are still en route, we have two thin-born cases, a Fold 8 Ultra and a Fold 8 case that are on the way. So let me let you guys know how this is going to go. What we're going to do is we're going to run down and have a few different giveaways in a few different stages. First, we're going to get rid of the Fold 8 Ultra cases and do those giveaways this Friday, okay? This Friday, we're going to give away all the Fold 8 Ultra cases. So all you got to do to enter is hit the link. It'll be right in the comments. It'll be in the description. All you got to do is hit the entry, completely free to enter. Yes, you can go. You can buy a couple free entries if you want. It's completely unnecessary. You also have social actions. You can follow us on Instagram, watch a couple videos, a bunch of different things to get extra entries. But it is completely free to enter if you want to do on Friday. How we're going to do this? Super simple. How we're going to do it. This Friday, we're giving away all the Fold 8 Ultra cases, including the thin-born case. Friday, enter. Whatever we're doing, enter Friday. Fold 8 Ultra cases will be given away. You have 2 days to claim your prize, or we will pick the next set of winners. Keep going. Wednesday, we will give away the Fold 8 Aramid Fiber AliExpress case. And then on Friday, we will give away the remaining Samsung Fold 8 cases, the thin-born Fold 8 case, and the two remaining winners will have two grand prize names called, and those will be the Super Box winners the following Friday. So enter in at the link in the description. Super simple, free to enter. Go crazy.